Hey babes, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be showing you one of the best exercises for booty gains. This is something that can be done from home or at the gym with dumbbells. This is probably my favorite exercise to grow the booty and get it pumped. So this is the elevated split squat, also known as the Bulgarian split squat, and I will be walking you through the form. Being the form right is what's going to ensure that we're targeting the booty and growing the booty. We do this exercise a lot in the 6-week booty pump program over on my app, like a lot, and it's for a good reason because it gets us results, it gets our muscles growing. It's just so great. So let's go ahead and start going over the form. So obviously for this exercise, you're gonna need a bench. It should be around the height of your knee. If it's a little bit lower, a little bit higher, that's okay. And I know if you're working out from home, you might have to work with whatever you've got, you know, a chair, a stool, whatever. I will still link this bench down in the description, but you can also work with whatever you have, like a windowsill is also fine. Just, you know, my outfit details are in my description. It's from Rider Wear. I really love these leggings. The links for everything I'm wearing will be down there in case you wanted to shop. Okay, let's start off with the stance. So you should be around 2 to 3 feet away from the bench. Now, obviously that will depend on your own anatomy and how long your legs are. And if you've got some long legs, lucky you. So when you start in this position, your back leg should be slightly bent. So try to keep your hips in line with your heel. Everything is square looking forward. So don't open up your hips to the side. Everything's looking forward. Now your back foot, there's 2 ways you can do it. You can do it like this with the top of your foot on the bench, or you can do it like this with your toes on the bench. I personally prefer it like this. It would just depend on you and your ankle mobility. Try it both ways and see which way you like it. I also find that doing it this way helps me not put so much weight on the back leg. So the goal here is to try to keep most of that weight in that front leg, specifically the front heel. If you're an absolute beginner, you might want to hold on to a wall or something for balance at first. So keeping your hips in line with your toes, you're going to want to drop down, bring that knee down, pressing up through the heel, come up. A few things I want you to watch out for here. When you go down, make sure most of your weight is in the front leg. So don't rock your weight back like this. You shouldn't be feeling it in your back quad. We really want to feel it in our glute and a little bit in the hamstring. When you go down, you should also make sure that your knee does not go way forward past your toes. Try to keep it in line with your toes or a little bit behind. And you want to make sure that your knee doesn't cave inward. So try to keep your knee facing forward, like this. So when it comes to the positioning of your legs, it should not be like you're walking a tightrope. So this foot should not be right in front of this foot, like when you're in this position on the bench. This foot should be a little bit out to the side, wherever your natural feet position are. When you go down, you wanna make sure your hips stay looking forward, you stay upright, press up through your heel to come back up. You're gonna wanna go as low as you can. Depending on your flexibility, you might not go super low for your knee to get to the ground, but at least try to get to where your thigh is parallel to the floor, so about here. So try that a few times. Remember to keep the weight in your heel, keep your core tight. You should feel it in your glutes and in your hamstrings. When I do it with weight, I simply just hold each dumbbell in each hand, and it does get trickier to balance when you have a heavy weight in each hand, but you're gonna wanna get into the same exact position, and feel free to readjust yourself once you get your foot back up there. Keeping your core tight, you're gonna brace yourself, you're gonna go down, and as you come up, press up through your heel, back up. So try to keep your upper body relaxed. Don't shrug your shoulders up, bring your shoulder blades back, shoulders down away from your ears, elongate the neck. Go down, back up, down, back up. And there you go. That is the elevated split squat, one of my favorite exercises. And if you do want to join the 6-week booty pump program, it is not too late. You can join whenever. So all these workout programs and challenges we do, they stay on the app afterwards. So you can literally join and start today. Today could be your day 1 or next week, and you do have access to all of the previous workout programs and challenges we have done. So 28-day kickstart, 6-week shred, you have access to all of that. And as we keep releasing new programs, you're just gonna have more and more programs, plans, schedules to do, and each workout is a real-time, full-length workout class with me. So you already know we have a lot of fun. We dance at the end of our workouts, we twerk, you know, we have a good time. So if you're interested in joining, Link is in my description. We're available on the App Store on iOS, on Android. You've got web access. And yeah, hopefully I'll see you there. Let me know what kind of a form breakdown video you want to see next. So what exercises do you struggle with? Let me know down below, and I will see you guys next time.